Welcome to my channel Car Auto, ladies and gentlemen. The Ford F-150 2026 represents the latest evolution in America's best-selling vehicle line, blending rugged capability with cutting-edge technology and refined comfort. Continuing its legacy as a top choice among both workers and families, the 2026 F-150 arrives with notable enhancements in powertrain options, design refinements, and smart technology integration. Ford maintains its strategy of offering an exceptionally broad lineup, ensuring that whether you're seeking a basic work truck or a high-end luxury hauler, there's an F-150 to match your needs. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford F-150 offers a diverse set of powertrains that provide both power and efficiency. Returning engines include the reliable 3.3-liter V6, the 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, the 5.0-liter V8, the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, and the 3.5-liter PowerBoost full hybrid. Each engine is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, fine-tuned for smooth shifts and optimal performance. The hybrid PowerBoost remains a standout, delivering the dual benefit of impressive towing capability and enhanced fuel efficiency. Rumors continue to swirl about improvements to the hybrid system that could push combined MPG beyond the 25 mpg mark, which would be a strong selling point in a market increasingly focused on sustainability. In terms of design, the 2026 model sticks close to the bold, muscular look that defines the F-Series but incorporates slight changes for a fresher appearance. The grille has been updated across trim levels to improve airflow and give the truck a more dynamic front end. New LED lighting elements have been integrated into the headlamps and taillights, giving the vehicle a modernized look while also improving visibility. Optional appearance packages allow owners to customize their trucks with blacked-out trim, chrome accents, or off-road features, depending on their tastes and needs. The interior of the 2026 Ford F-150 continues the brand's commitment to comfort, utility, and high-end materials, especially in the upper trims. The cabin is spacious and filled with storage solutions, including fold-flat seats and a gear shifter that stows to make room for a mobile workstation. Technology has seen another leap forward, with Ford's Sync 5 infotainment system now standard across most trims. This system includes a faster interface, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and over-the-air software updates. Available 12-inch touchscreen and digital instrument clusters offer crisp graphics and highly customizable information displays, ensuring that whether you're navigating a worksite or streaming music, the F-150 keeps you informed and entertained. One of the most significant advancements in the 2026 F-150 is in driver assistance and safety technology. Building on Ford's Copilot 360 suite, the new model introduces enhanced versions of adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, and a more advanced hands-free Blue Cruise system. Blue Cruise has seen major improvements for 2026, including increased route availability, smoother handoff between manual and automated driving, and better responsiveness to traffic conditions. This positions the F-150 at the forefront of semi-autonomous driving technology in its segment, offering drivers peace of mind on long highway journeys or during stressful commutes. When it comes to capability, the F-150 2026 is built to handle tough tasks with ease. Towing capacity continues to be a key strength, with certain configurations capable of pulling over 13,000 pounds. Payload capacity remains similarly impressive, thanks to advanced materials like military-grade aluminum alloy and a high-strength steel frame. New for 2026 is an upgraded trailering package that includes enhanced onboard scales, smart hitch assistance, and improved camera views that make it easier than ever to hook up a trailer solo. Whether towing boats, campers, or heavy equipment, the F-150 remains a dependable workhorse. The truck's suspension system has been refined for better ride quality across all road surfaces. Ford engineers have worked to reduce cabin noise and improve comfort without sacrificing off-road capability or load-bearing strength. On higher trims like the King Ranch, Platinum, and Limited, these improvements are especially noticeable, creating a near-luxury experience with a full-size truck's practicality. Meanwhile, the off-road-oriented Tremor and Raptor variants continue to offer specialized features like off-road tuned shocks, locking differentials, and terrain management systems designed for challenging environments. Sustainability continues to be a growing concern in the automotive industry, and Ford is responding accordingly. The 2026 F-150 includes more recyclable materials in its construction and aims for reduced carbon emissions across its manufacturing processes. The hybrid and electric variants are part of this broader push. Although the all-electric F-150 Lightning is technically its own model, lessons learned from that truck have made their way into the 2026 F-150 lineup, especially in battery management and software updates. It is clear that Ford is leveraging the broader F-Series ecosystem to keep pushing boundaries in performance and environmental responsibility. Trim levels for the 2026 F-150 continue to range from the practical XL and XLT to the luxurious King Ranch, Platinum, and limited editions. New packages and options ensure buyers can tailor the truck exactly to their needs. Whether it's for hauling lumber during the week or towing a boat on weekends, the F-150 offers unmatched versatility. Advanced trailering tech, available four-wheel drive, a locking rear differential, and a range of wheel and tire packages allow customers to fine-tune the F-150 for both professional and recreational use. Comfort features abound across the lineup. Heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, a panoramic sunroof, and a Bang & Olufsen sound system help create an upscale cabin experience. Rear seat passengers benefit from generous legroom and thoughtful design touches like USB charging ports and seatback storage pockets. In Supercrew models, rear seats fold up to reveal a flat floor, useful for transporting tools, gear, or pets. The 2026 Ford F-150 isn't just about brute strength, it's about creating a truck that's just as enjoyable to live with day to day as it is to work with. The balance between performance, comfort, and technology makes it an all-around leader in the pickup segment. While competition from Ram and Chevrolet continues to intensify, Ford's commitment to innovation and customer feedback ensures the F-150 remains at the top. In a market where customer expectations grow every year, Ford's 2026 F-150 doesn't merely meet the standard, it helps set it. It's a vehicle built for builders, adventurers, families, and professionals alike. Whether hauling heavy loads across job sites, taking long road trips, or navigating daily commutes, the F-150 continues to be a symbol of American engineering excellence and reliability. As it enters the next phase of its legendary run, the 2026 F-150 reinforces why it's been the go-to truck for millions of drivers for more than 4 decades. Please subscribe to my channel Car Auto.